Hi guys, this is a bit of an interesting one. This is how not to do a damp course. I've been sent in to survey this house. I'm just coming to have a look around, see what it is, and I've pulled a little bit of plasterboard off the wall, and behind the plasterboard I've got some polythene with some battens, and they've plasterboarded over the battens and skimmed it in. And if you can see here, as I touch it, you can see the water.
Try again. Yeah.
So I've created condensation, and over however long it's been on there, a couple of years, maybe even longer, what's happened is obviously all the water's then ran down the back, so you've got a hot and cold scenario. It's created condensation. Because that can't breathe, the water's then collated on the back of the plastic, it's run down, hit the floor, and now the floor's rotten. And this is how bad it is. So a simple tile, no tools involved. That's what's holding the floor up. So there you go, no joist whatsoever. So now all the floor's got to come out, unless there's some sort of supporting wall downstairs in the cellar where we can perhaps splice into it. Chances are if it's that bad this side, it'll be just as bad the next side. So now this client's got to actually take out all these walls, reinstate a floor, and then build on top of it. So it's an additional cost. So that's how not to do it.